Welcome to Eternal Exchange Trading Discord. I'm Trader Joe, the head trader here, and I'm so excited to have you. Now, I know some of you might be completely new to trading. Some of you might already know what you're doing a little bit, but if you are someone that is new, this video is for you. So keep on watching. I'm going to lay out exactly all of the softwares and everything you need to get started with your futures trading journey. So the first thing you want to do is type in tradeovate.com into your browser. Once you do that, click on the Tradeovate link and pull up this page. At the top right of the page, you're going to want to go to this green button and click Open Account. That's going to bring you to this step right here. You're going to put in your email, they're going to ask you for a password, and then they're going to ask you a series of questions that you're going to need to answer. They're going to ask you whether you're a professional or a non-professional trader, and you are a non-professional trader, right? So make sure you say non-professional. Once you get through all of these steps and you have your account completely made, remember, you don't have to put any money into it or anything to do these steps. We're going to move on to step number 2. Okay, this is step number 2. This is what is going to be brought up to you on the screen once you log into your account. Simulation, market replay, or live trading. If you are completely new to trading, my recommendation is going to a simulation account. You're going to launch that a simulation account, and it's going to be all fake trading. It's going to be paper trading. This is not real money. You're not risking anything real. This is where you can start to practice your trades with no real risk. This is going to be one of the most important things you can do when you're first starting your trading journey and learning the strategy that you're learning. This is where you can have a risk-free trading platform, and I think it is so key for you to use. So make sure you click on simulation and you start practicing your trading on a risk-free account. Step number 3, I want you to type in tradingview.com. This is what you should see in front of you once you pull that up. This is going to be your best friend. This is where you're going to chart your different indices, your stocks, whatever you're looking to trade. For me, I chart out NQ, which are the NASDAQ futures. I chart out ES, which are the S&P 500 futures, and a few different other charts as well. But what I want you to do now is go up to the top right of the screen and you're going to click on Get Started. There's going to be 3 different options that you can take for your trading view. There's going to be an essential, a plus, and a premium. My recommendation for anybody that's new to trading, you don't need anything more than the essential plan. This is going to allow you to have 2 charts up in front of you, 5 different indicators, and it's going to allow you to see everything you need to see. So again, you can do any of these and you can read through the different options that you have, but my recommendation is just going with the essential plan, and you can also sign up for free for 30 days. Again, I'm not affiliated with this company whatsoever. I don't care what you pick, but the essential plan I think is the best one to start with. Step number 4, you want to sign up for some real-time data. This is going to give you the actual data that is happening currently, whereas if you were on the free data, you would be a little bit delayed, so you wouldn't see exactly what's happening in the market. My recommendation for real-time data is you scroll all the way down to CME Group E-mini included. If you're trading futures, whether that's NASDAQ or the S&P 500, this is all you need, and it's $7 a month. As you can see on the free delayed, it's 10-minute delay, so you're not going to be able to get real-time data. So I recommend signing up right here for the CME Group E-mini data included right here. That's all you're going to need, and it's $7 a month. Now that you've paid for your real-time data and your subscription, you can start to pull up whatever charts you want to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go up to the top left of your screen, you can see this little search marker right here. You click on that and you can pull up whatever chart you want to pull up, whatever index you're looking for. For example, let's say you're trading micro contracts. That is micro, so it's the smaller contracts for the NASDAQ. It's going to be MNQ. You're going to type in MNQ. There's going to be a little arrow right here. You're going to click on that arrow, and whatever contracts we're currently in, you're going to look to trade those. Right now, we're currently trading MNQZ 2024 because those are the December contracts. So you're going to type that. You're going to click on that, and that's going to pull up your real-time data of your micro contracts. And you can go up here and you can start to filter through different time frames, right? If you click on this little arrow right here, it's going to pop down all of the different time frames. These are the time frames that I use. I use the 1 minute, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 10, the 15, the 30, the 45, the 90, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. You can screenshot this, you can pause the video, and you can go back and look at all these time frames. But what you need to do is star them. So if I take that off, you go right there and you star it. That way it shows up at the top of your screen right here. That way, if you want to switch between different time frames easy, you just go to the 5 minute, you go to the 15, to the 1 hour, whatever you want to look at. It makes it super easy to find that. So that's what you want to do to set up this chart. Now let's say you have the essential package and you want to pull up 2 charts next to each other. You're going to go up to the top right of the screen where it says unnamed, and you're going to click on this little rectangle box, layout setup. You're going to click that and it's going to give you a bunch of different options on how you want to show your charts. What I like to do is the second option right here where it has my charts side by side. But notice it still has MNQ here, MNQ here. I like to keep my MNQ or my first chart I'm looking at here, the one that I'm trading. And if I want to pull up a chart to reference, like let's say the S&P 500 micros, I'm going to type in MES. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to type on or click this arrow. I'm going to go to the Z 2024 contracts, and that's going to pull up my MES on the left side over here. So now I have on the left side the micros for the S&P 500. On the right side, I have the micros for the NASDAQ futures. So this is how you want to start setting up your trading view, and you want to do it as comfortable as you can to where you have it personalized for how you like to trade and what different indices or stocks you want to have pulled up. On to step number 5. What I want you to do is type in apextraderfunding.com, and this is going to be a prop firm. Prop firms are companies that you can use, and you can give them a subscription fee where they give you access to be able to trade larger amounts of capital. Now it's all simulated, and your only risk is going to be your subscription fee. So whether that's $50, $100, $200, that's all you're risking, and you could potentially make thousands of dollars from that investment. So I want you to look at Apex Trader Funding and go through their pricing and see which account works best for you. Some of them have different amounts of capital that you can trade with. For instance, this 50K account is a $2,500 drawdown, whereas the 25K is $15,000. I recommend if you are just starting your trading journey, get a 25K account or a 50K account. And if you want a discounted price for these accounts, I do have a discount code that I will leave for you, and I'll actually put it up on the screen right here for you so that you can see it. But go and sign up for this account, or I'm going to show you another prop firm that you can also use. The next prop firm is Funded Futures Network. So type in fundedfuturesnetwork.com and you're going to be able to pull up this screen right here that's going to show you their account sizes. Now, I don't have a discount code for them, but I do have a link if you want to actually use them, and I'll put the link down in the description for you. So if you want to use this company, they're great with their customer service. They're really fast with payouts. They actually will pay you out the same day if you get to the limit that you need to get with your profit. Great company. So you can check out their different sizes, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, and figure out which one you want to use. And again, I recommend 25,000 or 50,000. You do not have to use either of those two prop firms that I just told you. I want you to do the research into every prop firm that you find and see which one works best for you. There's going to be plenty of different prop firms out there, and some of them might have rules that you like more, some of them might have rules that you don't like. So my recommendation for you is to go actually research these different prop firms and figure out if that's what you want to do. If you don't want to go the prop firm route, you can always fund your own live account with Tradovate and put real cash in there. But if you are starting out in your trading journey right now, I recommend using prop firms because they're a way to use low risk and have high reward. Okay, this is the last step. You need to start doing your education. You need to start learning the strategy that you're going to trade with. If you are a part of my Discord or you want to join my Discord, I have free education under ICT Intro on the left side of the Discord. So go watch my videos, and if you don't want to learn my strategy or you don't want to watch my stuff, go on YouTube and look up the actual ICT strategy or whatever strategy you want to learn. But without learning, without actually understanding how this market works and understanding your strategy, all of the stuff that I've talked about before will not matter. You should not be risking money until you have a good understanding of how the market moves.